You want your 4,000 watch hours and you want it fast. I'm going to give you the secret sauce right off the bat. The first thing you need to do is to go live. Now, I know a lot of you all might think you need 50 subscribers in order to go live. However, if you do not have 50 YouTube subscribers and you want to go live, just download StreamYard. I'm going to leave you a link down in the description so that you can go live before you get your 50 subscribers. Here's the first move. If you go live this week, don't overthink it. Just hit the button and go live. Why? Because if 20 people stay on your live video for 1 hour, that's 20 watch hours in a single stream. Yes. And that's how small content creators are stacking up the hours right now. But nobody's telling you about this tactic. And I'm letting you know today. When I first got serious about getting my monetization on YouTube, I understood that lives was the way to get your watch hours and to build community. And that's what we're going to be talking about today in this video, is how to do both things. Get your watch hours and grow a community of like-minded people who will end up knowing, liking, and trusting you. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Riva. I am a content strategist, and I was able to get my channel monetized in only 3 videos. Yes, I had a strategy, I had a plan, and I had a vision, and that's what I share here on my channel. If that interests you, then I want you to hit the like button. When I first started YouTube, I thought lives didn't really matter. Number 1, because nobody told me. And number 2, because nobody knew me. But little did I know this was the perfect recipe to get my watch hours and to grow my subscribers and to get monetized within 45 days. And here's the other truth. Even if you only have 5 to 10 people show up on your lives, those watch hours count, especially when you're starting from 0 and you're trying to be a hero on YouTube. And I want you to stay tuned to the video after a quick message from today's sponsor, Nexus Clips. I know what you're thinking. Going live is great. But how do you take a live and turn it into multiple pieces of content so that I can get off the content creation hamster wheel? Well, that's where Nexus Clips comes in. Every time I make a long form video, Nexus Clips gives me 5 to 8 viral potential moments, whether it be in my lives or whether it be in my long form videos that I can use not just on YouTube Shorts, but I can use them on Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook. And it even gives me a virality score so I know which clips could actually blow up. It integrates straight into YouTube, so I'm not stuck editing for hours upon hours. And if you want to get off the content creation hamster wheel and repurposing your content like Mr. Beast or Ali Abdaal, I'm going to be leaving you a 10% discount code down in the description. Let's talk a little bit more about lives. If you don't feel comfortable going live by yourself, I'm going to challenge you to do a collab with a content creator who you know, who you like, and who you trust, and whose audience might be bigger than yours. What that does, it brings attention and notoriety to your own channel, and it also gives you the ability to get more comfortable in front of the camera if you're an introvert like me, or if you're not used to going live generally. Lives are a great way to connect with your community, to build camera confidence, and to get yourself the watch hours that you need towards your monetization goals. And if you don't know what the YouTube monetization is for watch hours, it is 4,000 watch hours. And although that might seem like an unachievable feat, I'm going to give you more tactics to tackle the watch hours later in the video. Point number 2. Stop making short form videos because those hours do not count towards your watch hours. Stop wasting your time on shorts unless you are a shorts channel. It takes 10 million views in order for you to get your channel monetized if you're going to use shorts. 10 million views. That's a lot. And listen, I know that shorts can be fun. They can get you all the attention and sometimes they can get you subscribers. But what they won't get you is monetization. Not the easy way. And here's the math. A 10-minute video watched by 1,000 people is over 160 watch hours. And that right there is real progress. Think of YouTube like a meal. Shorts should be the appetizers, and your long form videos, that's the main course. It's where you build your loyalty and you build your watch hours at the same time while you're building your community. Here's a little pro tip for you. Take a shorts idea that already hit on your channel and expand it into a 10-minute breakdown. That way you already know that people are interested in your content, and now you're just stacking your watch hours instead of chasing the views. I saw a creator with under 500 subscribers go from almost no hours to over 3,000 hours just by shifting from a 30-second shorts video to 8-minute videos. And no, that wasn't luck. That was called strategy. Long form videos brings the binge factor into play that shorts can't touch. How many people do you know that are binging off shorts unless they're just doom scrolling? Point number 3, community and playlist. These two areas most content creators overlook: the power of community and the power of a good playlist. When you don't appreciate your viewers by not commenting on their comments, that's when your viewers bounce, and that's when you start losing watch hours. So I challenge you here, reply to every comment, put some community polls and some comments on your community posts. Why? Because community engagement is everything. Make people feel like they belong. Engagement multiplies watch time because people keep coming back. And not only that, set up a playlist like a Netflix series. Don't just throw some random uploads together and think people are going to watch it. Build them in a way that flows, that brings education or value to your viewer. And here's a little hack or a little gem for you. Reload your older videos, cut them up into new playlists. And what YouTube does is treat your old content like fresh content when it's packaged in a fresh and engaging way. And YouTube will start recommending your content again. If you're posting on other platforms like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, and you have all those little short clips and short videos, bring your clips together so that viewers can binge on YouTube, vice over on those short form platforms. That's how you turn casual viewers into watch hours that really count. If you're able to apply all 3 of these tips, you'll see your hours climb in weeks, not months. And here's the kicker. There's actually a bonus strategy that barely anybody is talking about in 2025. That's what I'll be breaking down in my next video. So guess what? You're just going to have to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out. And if you're ready to get serious about growing your watch hours with a community and with support, I want you to consider joining the Revealer School community. This is where we're growing together, and it's where creators are hitting all of their milestones faster than trying to figure things out on their own. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you the next time on the next video. Bye-bye.